Istanbul Riot decision important step for democracy. Erdogan regime attacks kill 18 North Syria's de-escalation zones. Pro-Haftar forces claim to down plane over Tripoli. 2 police officers killed by Daesh in Iraq's Kirkuk. Turkish relief agency distributes iftar meals in Gaza. Turkish Red Crescent hosts iftar in Syria's Idlib. Algerian students stage anti-regime protest in capital. Sudan's security forces tried to break up Khartoum sit-in. Report: China destroyed dozens of Muslim sites. Sri Lanka: perpetrators of Easter bombings neutralized. Refugees journalists freed from Myanmar prison. Turkey and India to hold political talk in New Delhi.